This was a Canadian case appealed to the Privy Council in the United Kingdom. The Dominion Natural Gas Company supplied natural gas and all of the gas fittings to a railway company, the Toronto, Hamilton and Buffalo Railway Company. One of the gas fittings was called a regulator. Its job is to reduce the pressure of the gas from the mains pressure, which is much too high, to a pressure suitable for actual use. The regulator had an escape valve as a safety mechanism, so that if the regulator was unable to cope, gas would be vented. It was supposed to have a pipe sending that gas to the outside world. In this case, there was no escape pipe. The regulator failed and gas was vented through the escape valve into the workroom. When two workers went to check out why the gas pressure was too low, they found a room full of gas which then exploded. One worker was killed and the other badly injured. The case came down to two questions. First, did the installers have a duty of care to the workers? After all, they weren't the occupiers of the premises, and normally when someone's injured within premises, we look to the occupier as the responsible party. Second, if the installers, the gas company, did have a duty of care, what was that duty? The court, in a judgment delivered by Lord Dunedin, neatly wrapped up both questions. Their lordships said, "There may be, however, in the case of anyone performing an operation or setting up and installing a machine, a relationship of duty. What that duty is will vary according to the subject matter of the things involved. It has, however, again and again been held that in the case of articles dangerous in themselves, such as loaded firearms, poisons, explosives, and other similar things, there is a peculiar duty to take precaution, imposed upon those who send forth or install such articles when it is necessarily the case that other parties will come within their proximity. From this case, we learn that anyone who installs a dangerous article in premises may have a duty of care to people who come within those premises, and that the more inherently dangerous an article is, the more care that must be taken to protect people now and in the future from coming to harm."